organization with even fast-growing complexity in finance? And you are still working in Excel, but do you experience limitations with financial planning and reporting? Then learn how modern CPM solutions can help you growing without saying goodbye to Excel. Excel is still preferred by many finance professionals, but when your organization is growing, you can experience the limitations of Excel through growing complexity in finance, such as increasing internal and external reporting requirements. Why do many financials like Excel? 1. Excel is familiar. Both finance and business generally have their own Excel templates, which they are happy with and fine with. 2. Excel is accessible. The familiar look and feel and functionalities to build templates and reports is familiar to many financials. 3. Excel is affordable. As a part of Microsoft Office, Excel is affordable. The tool contains many functionalities. But Excel also knows some limitations that can limit to accommodate future growth. Items that affect the reliability of the information. Lack of version control. High risk of human error. Data manipulation is possible. Limited scalability. Compliance challenges. Adding a CPM solution to embrace Excel can help your organization grow. We've listed 10 good reasons to combine Excel with a CPM solution. When combining Excel with a CPM solution, you will benefit from full audit trails, workflows, always up-to-date data. Centralization of templates, well-secured, AVG-proof. Always compliant, adding draft calculations. No installation needed, and all integrated in Excel. Learn how modern finance solutions takes the best of Microsoft Excel and wraps it in the security and power of a SaaS-based enterprise FP&A solution. Download the white paper or visit cpmview.com to learn more.